Hey, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to another Henry Got Hustle video. And today's video, as you can see in the back, we're at Burlington. It's actually my first time at this new location. It's like the closest one near my house, and I haven't been there yet, so I'm actually really excited to go there. A lot of people have been finding really good stuff, so hopefully I can find what they're finding. Yeah, let's go. Hey guys, so I've only looked in like one aisle so far, and I did find these South Beach Pumas. I've seen a lot of resellers post about these. These are $35, men's size 13. I have to look them up first, but I did want to show them to you guys. Might not take them, might take them, we'll see. I found these as well, some Epic React Flyknits. They're $40, and I have to look them up too. Everything I'm showing you guys so far, I haven't looked them up yet. And then these, I don't know, some SBs. They're $25, and they're like, this side part looks like Flyknit, I don't even know. But I'm gonna look them up, and I'm still gonna take a look around, and I'll let you know what I take and what I don't. I've been seeing a lot of people pick up these Ralph Lauren boots, and they sell pretty well. So I'm gonna look these up again, see if they're worth it or not. Yo, I can't believe I found these, the Skechers Air Max. I'm just kidding. Dude, Skechers is crazy how they just flat out copy every single brand. They even made like a Yeezy version of like their own Skechers, and now they're making Air Max. Like, come on, be innovative, make your own stuff. I just looked these up, but the comps are kind of all over the place, like $60, $70, some even $80. But nah, I'd rather not, to be honest. I know it's like not too bad, but I'd rather just invest in something else. So these Timbs, I just found them. They're $80. It's kind of pricey, to be honest, and they've been popping up everywhere at Ross and Burlington. So I mean, nothing too special, but they are really nice for the personal though. So if you want to pick them up, they are here for $80. But I am gonna leave them behind for that price. Just found these New Balance right here, New Balance 801. I don't know anything about this specific model, but New Balance is popping right now, so it doesn't hurt to check them out. Just take a quick look and yeah, see how it goes. These kind of caught my eye, so I'm gonna look them up. They're $50. I don't know if they resell for anything, but I don't know, they caught my eye, so I'm gonna check them out. So this pair actually surprised me. So it looks like it's going for anywhere from 110 to 140. And if you check the sold comps, shows 148, and this one's $90. I don't know, I might just pick it up. On this is a size 5.5, so it's a little on the smaller side, so it could be equivalent to a women's size 7. And there's no listings on GOAT, so I don't know, might just pick that one up. And I still need to look up the other one, so but I just want to show you guys that one though. Hey everybody, so I just moved on to the women's section and just browsing through, seeing what I find. There's these cool React Element 55s, but $45 is too expensive for these, but all blackout colorway is pretty nice. And yeah, just finding, actually I saw these right here. I've seen a lot of people post about these actually, so it might be some potential. I've never found these before, so excited about this one. I'm gonna look them up. This is actually a pretty cool model, and I haven't picked up any of these, and I've already come across a few of them before, but this one specific colorway has some pretty good comps. It's anywhere from like 100 to even up to like 160 I've seen for a few, so they're $60. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna pick them up, and yeah, this is actually a really clean colorway. Alright guys, so I just found these. These are Have a Nike Day. Normally anything Have a Nike Day sells pretty well. So they are $55, so it's really pricey for this shoe. But I'm gonna look it up. It has the Velcro swoosh, which is removable, so that's pretty sick. And I'm gonna look it up, and I'll keep you guys posted on if they're worth it or not. I had forgot to talk about these, and I know I just stopped at a random spot, but actually, if you guys can help me with something, if you can leave down in the comments down below how to look up Dr. Martens boots, because I've already found like at least, I don't know, like 7 of them, and I've never bought any of them because I don't know how to look them up. But this one, I believe it's a collaboration with Undercover, let me see what it's called. It says Undercover Joan Takahashi, and it's actually going anywhere from like $150 to $220, and they're only $70. So these, I'm gonna take these. But these, I don't know. It's because I don't want to. I might just buy them just because of Dr. Martens, and I'll try to do more research. But I just don't know because I don't know how to look them up. But I'll try. I don't know. We'll see. Hey guys, so just bought all the shoes. I'll go more in depth when I get home. If not, I'll just make a separate video like I always do. And I appreciate all of you for watching today's video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Later.